give him a nice round of applause if you don't mind the next score. And those 3 Wisconsin tractors,
I'm in Henry, Illinois for the tractor pull races with my buddy Tyler here.
Out of Wisconsin
We just had a tractor pull. This is unbelievable.
Tractors from the state of Wisconsin. Did he make it? Yes, he did. 303.33. 303.33, and that's good enough to go to the pull-off. We have 4 Wisconsin tractors in the pull-off here, and I think we got now 10 tractors is what the last count was. They'll all be coming back around for the pull-off. We will do a little changing of the sled there, or maybe not. We'll wait and find out. We'll bring him back to the starting line in just a minute. For the pull-off fans.
Man, we're going to go right back into the pull-off here. We talked to Terry Hagedorn after his first pass, folks. He went 3:02.64, and he took the pull. Now, that Austin puller, he has taken the pull until you turned it down. He kept that pull. As of right now, it's been a very, very good team, and this was the furthest pull of the day. We're going to see exactly where we end now, folks. He will be the first to strike here.
I'm just going to swing to the right to show you my buddy Tyler here.
Part of the Hagedorn pulling team.